Guys, welcome back to Tasty Tailgating presented by Pepsi. Today, we're making bang bang shrimp. Let's get cooking. All right guys, bang bang shrimp, very easy to make. All we're gonna need, obviously some shrimp. I have some jumbo shrimp here that I've peeled and deveined. We're gonna be frying these. I have some vegetable oil just coming up to temperature here. We're gonna fry them, but first we're gonna batter these. So for the batter, I have like a cup of buttermilk here, an egg. We'll beat this together. And then we're gonna be using all-purpose flour, about 3/4 of a cup. So majority all-purpose flour, but then we're gonna use some cornstarch as well, like half a cup of cornstarch. I like this combination too, because with the flour you get more of that color, that deeper breading, and then with the cornstarch you get a light, crispy, kind of flaky texture that's perfect for bang bang shrimp. You want it to be light and crispy. And then we're gonna add some panko breadcrumbs even at the end. So you're gonna get kind of a double breading on this batter and the panko. I'm gonna go a little bit of salt in here. And then also some hot sauce is gonna go directly into our batter. Hot sauce of your choice. I like it pretty spicy, so I'm gonna go like half a tablespoon of hot sauce in there. You want it thick, but I'm gonna thin it out a little bit more. That's the consistency you're looking for. It's kind of like pancake batter, so it's still pretty thick. We're gonna be breading these in panko. Now I like to use panko whenever you're frying. You're gonna get a lighter, crispier texture. Panko is made from white bread, steamed white bread, and there's no crust on it. So you get really just that light, flaky texture. To that I have some onion powder, garlic powder, a little white pepper, and salt. Mix that in really well, nice and seasoned. Any little flour remaining, we're gonna lightly go over the shrimp just so everything sticks to those. Just quick little flour on the shrimp. Then we'll go into the batter. And we'll go right into the panko there and just keep repeating that process. Kind of drain off any of the excess there. Boom. All right. Take these, make sure they're nice and coated in that panko breading. Okay, once your shrimp is all breaded, we'll move on to frying. You want to get vegetable oil, peanut oil, canola oil, any high smoking frying oil on to about like 350, 375. If you don't have a thermometer on you, you can take a wooden spoon or a chopstick. You stick it right in, and if it starts bubbling up all around the spoon immediately, that's how you know it's ready. All right, and start frying. Just gently lay it in, kind of give it a few spins, then drop it away from you. It'll start to bubble up. And you can, if you don't want to completely deep fry this, you can shallow fry it too. So you can get a pan, you can put like a 1/4 inch of oil, do one side, then flip it and do one side. This method, deep frying it's quicker, a little easier in my opinion, but both ways will work. And you're really just looking for color on these, and shrimp cook quick too, so you don't want to overcook it. This is gonna be 2 to 3 minutes. And once you get that beautiful color, take them out. So essentially we're double frying these because we have the batter and then we have the breadcrumb coating on the outside. So you get like this huge crispy layer. You could do just the batter and be fine, or you could do a traditional just flour, egg wash, and then breadcrumbs. But we're doing both. We're combining the best of both worlds, and we're getting these jumbo bang bang fried shrimp. All right, while those are finishing frying up, we have one last thing to do, and that's make the bang bang shrimp sauce. This is the star of the show. This was giving you all that flavor. Very easy to make though. I'm gonna just transfer this heat over. Kewpie mayonnaise, about 1/4 of a cup. Then to that, about 2 tablespoons of Thai chili sauce goes in there. And then about a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. And that's really all you need. I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh, just because I have one on me, a little fresh orange zest, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. So a little bit of ginger is going in too. This is optional. If you have it, great. If you don't, it's still gonna taste amazing. Let's just give this a mix now. I'm gonna go a little hot sauce, just a touch, because I like some heat. That's what we're talking about right there. There's your bang bang sauce. Beautiful. Let's finish with a little bit of little green onion here for our garnish. And with the panko and with the cornstarch, it's not always gonna get as dark as you want. The first ones I had in were pretty hot, so they got dark quick. The oil was a lot hotter, but as your oil starts to cool a little bit, this is still fine. It's still crispy, and shrimp cooks so fast that if you keep going for that color for too long, you're gonna get a really rubbery shrimp. So just keep that in mind. As long as it's crispy, it's panko and it's cornstarch, so it's gonna be a lighter color. That's fine. It'll still be great. So it has that crunch. A little bit of honey. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're ready to go. Start with that. Give that a toss. Make sure every piece is coated. If you need more sauce, add some more. Oh yeah, that's looking good. And because we have such a thick, crispy breading on there, it can absorb a little bit of that sauce and it won't go completely soggy. But you do want to eat these right away. Toss and serve. Okay, and then a little bit of green onion on top. And there you go. We have delicious Bang Bang shrimp. And we have Brandon Walker here in the kitchen to give these a try. Brandon, come on in. Come on in here.
I'm coming.
Why don't you get yourself
Bang Bang shrimp.
Bang Bang shrimp. Oh,
Get the flag in, right?
get the flag in. There you go.
Use big shrimp too.
Oh yeah, jumbo shrimp. Jumbo shrimp.
So that's
Yeah, well, I mean you can use your hands or the toothpick, but that works. And guys, remember every crave-worthy bite tastes better with Pepsi. I got the Pepsi Zero Sugar here. Brandon, how's that? Yeah, that's a good sign right there. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. Well, 2 thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Peace.